Here are some fun, what I like to call learning books. We have our I Can Count for babies. It says Little Books for Little Hands, and there's exactly what it says, little books. So here's one circle, one dog, and one more, two. So they can match them up back in the thing, or you can also stack them and make little blocks out of them. So your baby can match them back in there, and they have a nice little carrying case to carry them around them. This is a big book of colors. Introduces lots of different color names, introduces the color wheel, complementary colors, what colors look good together, and then here it just has full pages of all different colors. So all the colors, and then there's also another fun little translucent page back here where you can flip this, and then it shows what happens when you change the colors and stack different colors on top of each other. So that's a fun one. Learning about colors, lift the flap first math. This is great for kids that are just learning about math equations. Here we've got all the different things in the garden. So 2 snails plus 1 snail, and lift the flap to find the answer, 3 snails. Here you have 2 crabs plus 2 crabs and 4 crabs. So there's all different things you can do here. You can kind of just check your answer. So what happens when you're putting 4 green and 2 yellow into the boat? You get 6 boxes loaded into the boat here. So a good one for math. Here we've got telling time, where it shows you in the story, it talks about what time of the day it is, and then there's a little clock on some of the pages that can show you, and then you just can change the time here to whatever time it says. It's mostly working on the hour, but there is one that's like a half hour. So they're doing, going out and collecting eggs, eating lunch, going to pick dad up from work. This one, Under the Sea Jigsaw Puzzle. This was a fun one because not only do you learn more about fishy tricks, but there's also a puzzle on this side. The cool thing about this one is the middle puzzle piece is shaped like different things. So there's a little seahorse shape here. This one has a little dolphin here. So there's also, that one came out. And here we have the See Inside Weather and Climate. So this one's a fun one. Here's the table of contents, but what is the weather like today? The bottom's kind of fun. It talks about trying to predict weather here. And so, ring around the moon. It may rain or snow soon. If the cows are lying down, it might be wet soon. So just fun for kids to find out more about weather. Where does weather come from? I really like this page. It's just all about the different world climates, and actually you can lift the flaps here on all the different climates and find out, what is special about them. So that is our See Inside Weather and Climate, and then my very first Our World book. So just learning about our world, our home, and learning about planet Earth and all the different parts of planet Earth, changing seasons, the deserts, there's earthquakes, all those different fun things to learn about. So these are the great books for learning, especially homeschooling, just on a wide variety of topics.